Hey guys, this is Santino Marella, and you're watching Wrestling Revolution with Kitan. Now, earlier today, I taught Kitan how to do the Cobra. So don't mess with him, because he will Cobra your neck.
Introducing first, the frontman, Rocky Starr. And Rocky Starr faces off the Bird, the Canary Kid. Mommy's knickers. Mommy's knickers. Mommy's Canary Kid trying to take down Rocky Starr's legs there. Missed, and Rocky Starr gets straight into the Canary Kid. Trying to go for an ankle lock. The Canary Kid stopped it. Canary Kid trying to wrestle Rocky Starr for the second time. And the Canary Kid gets him in a front face headlock. Rocky Starr maneuvers it and changes it into a hammerlock. Canary Kid trying to get up now. And Canary Kid is taking control of the match by a wrist lock. Canary Kid drags Rocky Starr right down to the ground. And the Canary Kid has out wrestled Rocky Starr for now. Rocky Starr got the head scissors locked in, and he's choking the Canary Kid by the head scissors and disrespectfully doing press-ups. Canary Kid uses his technical ability and is trying to trick Rocky Starr. Has him up in the air and switches it in. to a headlock. What a great match for witnessing already. How good will this match be? Oh, Rocky Starr, being the dirty player that he is, doing whatever he has to do to win, and he's pulling the hair of the Canary Kid, driving him into the turnbuckle. Irish whiff to the other turnbuckle. The Canary Kid speeds out of it, tricks Rocky Starr. Scoop point pin, 1, 2. Oh, Rocky Starr just about kicked out of 2. Rocky Starr's in a very dangerous position. This is where the Canary Kid does best, at the turnbuckle, where he does the bird. Rocky Starr's pretending he's injured and he doesn't want to go near the Canary Kid. He's too scared of the Canary Kid. The Canary Kid is really defying the odds right now, destroying Rocky Starr. Rocky Starr offering a handshake. Will the Canary Kid take the handshake? Is Rocky Starr just trying to be nice, or is this a trick? Shakes his hand. Oh, Rocky Starr. But he's a dirty player and does whatever he has to do to win, and stomps on the Canary Kid's belly. Now he's punching the back of his neck, and Rocky Starr has now taken control of the match by one mistake from the Canary Kid. Oh, big stomp to the back of the leg. 2 stomps to the back of the leg, and the Canary Kid is in huge pain. 3 stomps. Rocky Starr does not care about the amount of pain he is causing people. All he cares about is winning. Rocky Starr near breaking the leg of the Canary Kid and is really focusing in on this leg. Now this is going to be a weakness for the Canary Kid. Somehow the Canary Kid still gets up on his leg. Oh, another big stomp to the leg. And he has his leg caught up in the rope. How painful would this be? I would not like to be in this position that the Canary Kid is in. Referee, tell Rocky Starr to back off. Rocky Starr obeys the referee's rules. Canary Kid getting back into Rocky Starr and throwing him into the turnbuckle. Still doing loads of drives in the turnbuckle. What a heart the Canary Kid has to be able to fight on through this pain. Canary Kid, pure athleticism, jump back off the rope, but the back of the leg bugged. And now Rocky Starr takes control of the match by a dirty shot at the back of his leg. Canary Kid is in so much pain. Rocky Starr just disrespectfully grabbing the Canary Kid's hair. Rocky Starr tried to take down the Canary Kid with his leg. Oh, the Canary Kid's pain. He is in. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. How on earth did he kick out? The pain he must be in. Rocky Starr picking the Canary Kid up. Rocky Starr still probably shocked that the Canary Kid kicked out at 2. Now he's giving him big shots to the stomach. And he's going for the leg again on the ropes, putting more pressure and more pressure on him. He's going to break Canary Kid's leg, to be honest. Oh, Rocky Starr tried to splice the Canary Kid into the corner. Couldn't quite get it. And the Canary Kid takes control with a neck breaker. Canary Kid looks like he's going for his best move, the bird. Will the leg be a problem in this match when he's trying to do the bird? He's getting ready for the bird. Oh, but the time that the Canary Kid took Rocky Starr speeds fast and takes control of his leg again. 1, 2, kick out again at 2 by the Canary Kid. The Canary Kid must be through so much pain and he's still kicking out at 2. Really working on his knee. Rocky Starr goes for another cover. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. What a match we're witnessing here at NXT. Oh, Rocky Starr again here breaking the leg of the Canary Kid. And is going for a Boston Crab. Will the Canary Kid tap out? He's got to tap out. The amount of pain he's got on his leg, and now he's getting Boston Crab. That'd be sore without leg pain. And the Canary Kid's taking double the pain and still not tapping out. Canary Kid breaks the Boston Crab and kicks Rocky Starr. Irish whip. Trying to go for a clothesline, ducked. Oh, and a double clothesline to both professional wrestlers. And they're both knocked out, lying down onto the ground. Referee looking like he needs to do a count. Who will get up first? It doesn't look like anyone will get up first. It looks like we'll end up in a draw. We do not want to see a draw here. We're at 5. Will these wrestlers get up? Halfway. 6, 7. And the both just about get up at 7. The pain, both of these guys must be free, and they're still getting back up. We've got blow for blow. The Canary Kid taking control with more blows. And the Canary Kid with a clothesline. Another clothesline. And a twist of fate. And the Canary Kid just bounces back up. Back of his leg still a factor in the match. But he can still come back and win this. He's going for the bird for the second time. Can he land it the second time? Or will Rocky Starr break it up again? B-I-R-D, bird. Trying to go for the bird. Rocky Starr ducked. And Rocky Starr's going for his finisher. The Starstruck. He missed. Canary Kid maneuvered it. He went for the schoolboy. Rocky Starr kicked out at 2. Canary Cutter. The finisher of the Canary Kid. 1, 2, 3. The Canary Kid defies the odds and becomes the unlikely winner through all the pain and takes the win over Rocky Starr. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. And the shout out to the 1 Minute Wrestler, it's Jesse Jackhammer.